If you're trying to access your Hostinger email, this video will show you exactly how to log in just a few simple steps. Whether you're checking a work inbox, a personal domain email, or you just set up your first email account on Hostinger, the process is quick once you know where to go. And if this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your web browser. You can use Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any browser you prefer. Once the browser is open, go to the Hostinger Webmail login page by typing webmail.hostinger.com into the address bar and pressing enter. This will take you directly to the email login screen. When the page loads, you'll see the login fields where you can enter your email credentials. In the email field, type your full Hostinger email address exactly as it was created. Make sure there are no spelling mistakes and that you use the correct domain name. Then move to the password field and enter your email password carefully. If you've saved the password in your browser or password manager, you can use that here as well, but always make sure you're logging in on a device you trust. After your email and password are entered, look for the login button and click it. Hostinger will now verify your details and sign you into your mailbox. If the information is correct, you'll be taken straight into your inbox where you can read, send, and manage your messages. If the login doesn't work, double check your email address and password first. A small typing error is often the reason people get blocked. Also make sure your caps lock key is not turned on because passwords are case sensitive. If you still can't sign in, you may need to reset your email password through your Hostinger account or check whether your email service is active. Once you're logged in, you can start using your Hostinger email normally. From there, you can open the incoming messages, compose new emails, organize your folders, and manage your account like any standard webmail service. The best part is that everything is accessible right from your browser, so there's no need to install extra software unless you want to connect it to an email app. So that's how to log in to Hostinger email. It really only takes a browser, your email address, your password, and a quick click on login. If this tutorial made the process easier, make sure to like this video and subscribe so you don't miss the next simple how-to guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.